So here's how you can mute Snapchat notifications on your iPhone. Let's get into it. If you are new on the Foxtecc YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because I believe you're going to find the content very useful. So you have more ways how you can achieve the muting of Snapchat notifications. Like you can go to the settings and on the main page, locate a notification section, scroll through all of the apps and find Snapchat right here. And you can mute them in the sense that you only disable the sounds, meaning that you will still get the notifications but without any sound, or you can also just turn them off altogether and you're not going to receive anything. So as you can see right here, plenty of other options, like you can choose the banners and if they show up on the lock screen or notification center. So up to you, but this is where you can tweak that. Keep in mind that inside of the Snapchat application, you still have the ability to block some people or mute some of the people. So yeah, it depends on what exactly you need, right? Because you're going to check out some specific contact within a Snapchat, hold down on the chat and choose the notification settings for that person. And you can see that you can mute the chats, you can mute calls, you can disable or change the sounds for specific chats only. So it depends on which level you want to customize the Snapchat notification settings. So I hope it makes sense. I try to be as clear, as concise as possible. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you later in the next videos.